fellow adventurers? Dreaming of lounging by a pristine infinity pool or savoring a sumptuous gourmet meal under the stars? Who isn't, right? But let's face it, luxury travel often comes with a price tag that can send shivers down your spine. But don't worry, I'm here to show you how to indulge in those dreamy luxuries without emptying your wallet. Today, we're diving into the secrets of experiencing five-star vacations on a budget. So pack your bags and let's jet off to paradise without the hefty cost. First up, flights. Did you know you can score incredible airfare deals with a few simple tricks? Try searching for flights in incognito mode to dodge those pesky price hikes. Flexibility is your best friend here. Consider traveling on weekdays or during the off-season for cheaper rates. And don't forget about travel hacking. There are credit cards out there brimming with rewards points just waiting to help you fly for less or even free. Pro tip: always set price alerts on websites like Google Flights or Kayak. That way, you'll be the first to know when ticket prices plunge for your dream destination. Now, let's talk accommodations. True luxury doesn't always mean a five-star hotel. Why not book a boutique hotel instead? They offer unique charm and personalized service without draining your account. Or imagine staying in a private villa with your own pool. Now that's living large. And remember, some of the most luxurious spots are hidden away from the usual tourist trails. So think outside the box for better deals. Pro tip: ever considered house sitting? Websites like Trusted House Sitters can hook you up with luxurious homes that you can stay in for free in exchange for keeping an eye on the place. Luxury isn't just about where you stay, it's about the experiences. Dive into the local scene, attend a vibrant festival, join a cooking class, or discover the hidden gems that only locals know about. These authentic experiences can enrich your travel without costing a fortune. Pro tip: steer clear of the typical tourist spots, which are usually overpriced. Instead, explore local eateries, markets, and free cultural sites like museums on free entry days. You'll save a bundle while soaking up the culture. Here's a bonus tip: travel during the off-season. It's a fantastic way to experience high-end resorts and spas at a fraction of the cost. Less crowded, more affordable, and just as fabulous. So there you have it. Luxury travel on a budget is totally doable. With a bit of creativity and planning, you can immerse yourself in plush experiences that won't break the bank. Remember, the most luxurious trips are those that connect you to the soul of the destination and leave you with memories to cherish forever. What are your top budget luxury travel tips? Drop them in the comments below and let's keep this conversation going. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more savvy travel insights. Here's to luxurious adventures without the luxurious price tag.